ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಗ ಅಂತ
ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ
Kindly ask the students to please sit. Kindly don't stand there, escort teachers also.
ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಸುತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋ
Sir, kindly take them there, sir. Madam, kindly take them there.
ಓಡಿಸು
Come down there. Sit there. Why you are standing in front there? Where is your teacher? Outside it is too cold. You can't sit there. Husband should go outside. I can't be there. वो टेंशन होना चाहिए मतलब बेटा को जाओ. Here we do the arrangement for I said, ma'am, they should not stand over here. You can go to the last place is there.
सर मैं I'm ready. Madam, look here. No. Thank you.
And my dear students, today all we have gathered here for the Regional Chess Tournament 2023. We will take only few minutes to welcome you all here.
Ganga Institution. I, Adarsh Sablok, Coordinator of Primary Wing, on behalf of Ganga Institution would like to welcome all for gracing this occasion. It's a glad welcome we bring to you this morning, filled with desires, hopes and dreams we all share. I am profoundly joyous and honored to welcome Mr. Lakshmi Narasimha, President, Ganga Institutions. A warm welcome, sir. It's my pleasure to welcome Mrs. Anupama Lakshmi Narasimha, Secretary, Ganga Institutions, a perfect example of simplicity and kind-heartedness. We welcome you, ma'am. We are delighted to offer the most hospitable welcome we can to the Chief Arbiter, Mr. Salim Beg and his team. A warm welcome to you all, sir. I also I'm truly obliged to welcome Mr. Sumant, the proprietor of Siddhganga Shamala Convention Hall, where this mega chess tournament is taking place. My heartfelt welcome goes out to Mr. Parthasarthi Krishna Iyer, Director and Principal, Ganga Institution, who in a true sense is a role model and inspiration to all who are associated with him. We welcome you, sir. I would like to offer positive salutations and welcome to Mr. Balasubramaniam, Vice Principal and Coordinator for this chess tournament, who has been actively working really hard for this big day. We welcome you, sir. I also feel happy and delighted in welcoming my coordinators, Mrs. Ashwini, High School Wing Coordinator, and Mrs. Vedavati, Coordinator for the College Wing of Ganga Institutions. We welcome you, ma'am. I humbly bow and welcome all the coaches and representatives and student participants of all the participating schools for being with us for this mega event. We welcome you all. I am also bound to welcome all the teachers, parents and students of Ganga Institutions. We welcome all students, parents and teachers of Ganga Institutions. I once again welcome one and all to be a part of this mega event. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Every event will begin by lighting the lamp and praying God to give us the knowledge, show us the right path and get to success. I request
Prajavaन् Pashman Bhavate Chandrama va apam pushpam Pushpavan Prajavaन् Pashman Bhavate Yayevam Veda Yopamayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Agnerva apamayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate Yomeraayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Apo vai Agneraayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate Yayevam Veda Yopamayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Vayurva apamayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate Yo Vayorayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Apo vai Vayorayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate Yayevam Veda Yopamayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Chandrama va apamayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate Yashchandram sa ayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Evam Veda Yopamayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Nakshatrani va apamayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate O Nakshatranam Ayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Apo vai Nakshatranam Ayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate Yayevam Veda Yopamayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Parjanyo va apamayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate Yaparjanyasyayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Apo vai Parjanyayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate Yasamvatsarasyayatanam Veda Ayatanavan Bhavate Apo vai Samvatsarasyayatanam Ayatanavan Bhavate Yayevam Veda Yopsunavam Pratishthitam Veda Pratyeva Nishtate Om Rajadirajaya Prasayya Sahine Namo Vayam Vaishravanaya Kurmahe Same Kama Kamakum Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Sima sir to open the CISE.
All the best. So have a healthy competition. So be sincere in your competitions. All the best. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. A great pleasure to be here to inaugurate the Karnataka Regional Chess Championship 2023 at the Ganga Institution. On behalf of the council, I've been deputed as sports coordinator. I wish all of you the very best and thank you for inviting me over, sirs. So congratulations children, all the best to you. Thank you.
I welcome you all for the chess competition. It's a marathon event, mega event, having 933 participants out of 88 schools within Karnataka ICSE. All the best for chess tournament organizers and controllers. Best of luck for all participants. Now this is the time to complete and fulfill my institutional responsibilities. Our chief guest, Principal Frank Anthony Public School.
Excuse me, sir. One second, sir. One second. Sir, close, sir. Madam? Yes. Sir, look.
Thank you, sir,
Camera, sir.
for accepting our
Once again, sir. Once again.
Celebrate, sir, to give instructions to the students.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I welcome you all on behalf of Ganga International School for this CASC Karnataka Regional Chess Championship 23-24. And it's a big event because there are more than 900 participants participating in this. We have under 17 boys and girls in this area. Under 14 boys and girls will be in the other floor, that is ground floor, where the dining hall is there. 14 boys and girls will be under in the next floor, and here we have under 17 boys and girls. 19 boys and girls after the inauguration will have it on the stage. Is that clear? This is with respect to your seating arrangement. The pairing software is Swiss Manager. Number of rounds for all the categories other than 19 boys and girls is 9. 14 boys will have 9 rounds. 14 girls will have 9 rounds. 17 boys will have 9 rounds. 17 girls will have 9 rounds. 19 girls will have 5 rounds. I repeat again, 19 girls will have 5 rounds. 19 boys will have 7 rounds. So 19 girls, their event will be over today itself, whereas 19 boys, today we'll have 4 rounds for you, 4 for you, 3 tomorrow. You want girls to come tomorrow as well? How many of you agree to come tomorrow? Under 19. Time control is 25 minutes each plus 10-second increment right from move number 1. Already clocks are set. Do not tamper with it. Whatever arrangement we have made, please do not disturb that. Walkout time is 10 minutes. That is, after the scheduled start of the time, if you don't turn up to the board in 10 minutes, you have to forego that game. That is called as default time. And at the end of stipulated number of rounds, if there is any tie for any place, we don't have a tiebreaker game. We don't have a playoff. We have tiebreaker system. That is, first criteria is Buchholz cut 1. That means sum of all your opponent's score minus the weaker score. Still, if the tie is not resolved, we have the second criteria, Buchholz all, that is sum of all your opponent's score. Still, your opponents, their full points are added to you. If you have drew, half of their points will be added. If you have lost, nothing is added. Still, if the tie is not resolved, we have direct encounter. That is, if there is a tie between two players, A and B, and if they have played against each other, and if there is a decisive result, whoever has won will be placed higher. If they have not played, or if it is a draw, or if it is a multiple way tie, then they should have played like a mutual round robin. If not, we have the final criteria as greater number of victories. Great number of victories include forfeit, walkover, bye, everything is a victory, irrespective of color. Is that clear? This is the tiebreaker system. And we have a concept of virtual opponent. That is, if it is a walkover or unplayed game, though you may get full point, individual point, when it comes to tiebreaker, it is a virtual opponent, so it is half only. It is half only. For unplayed games, it is half only. Those who have doubt with that, you can clarify with me later. It takes a lot of time for me to explain that. Now this is very important announcement what I am going to make now. Any kind of electronic device is not permitted inside the tournament hall. What do you mean by electronic device? Anything which runs on a battery or cell. It can be a headphone, it can be a cell phone, it can be a wristwatch, it can be a pen which emits light. It runs on a battery. So all such things you are not supposed to bring inside. In case if you have bought it, if it is on the person during the game, whether switched off or switched on, we don't care, we give loss of point. That is the penalty. So please hand over all your electronic devices to your escorts, or if you are carrying a bag, one person. So it should be kept separately. It should be kept separately and it should be switched off. Including wristwatch. You cannot say it's an ordinary watch, mechanical watch. Any kind of wristwatch is not permitted. If we see, if there is a claim, straight away loss of point is given. I hope I am clear with this. Once your games are over, do not discuss, do not analyze. Give the result to the concerned arbiter and kindly leave the tournament hall. You have to rearrange the pieces. Once your game is over, kindly rearrange the pieces or you cannot analyze. If you don't want to play any specific round, you have to give it in writing that you are not going to take part in that round. If without informing, if you are absent for one round, we may remove your name from the pairing software. If without intimation, if you leave the tournament hall and you are not present for any one particular round, your name may be removed from the pairing software. If there is a player change with the right approval from the management of Ganga International, we will approve it. If there is no approval from the organizing team, then we will not allow that. You might have submitted your documents. In place of A, B wants to play. A has not turned up today and B wants to play. For that, you need to get the approval from the organizing team. Then only we will make the necessary change. Otherwise, we will not entertain. And each Mitra Academy in one particular category has 6 players. Kindly drop out one player or come to me and tell which player is not going to play. We will remove it. If not, the entire team will be scratched. Only 5 participants from each school is permitted. Mitra Academy has 6 players in one particular category. You please come and meet me before the end of first round. And we don't want any kind of spectators here. Non-participants, managers, escorts, parents, everybody should remain outside the tournament hall. And if you are not happy with the decision given by the arbiters, you have to call chief arbiter. I am the chief arbiter for the tournament. Still, if you are not happy, then you can protest in writing with a protest fee of ₹1,000, and that your appeal or your protest will be submitted to the appeals committee. Their decision is final and binding. If your appeal is upheld, your money will be refunded. If not, it will go to the organizers fund. And for that we need, and we have Mr. Balasubramanian from Ganga International School. He will be there in the appeals committee. And decision, because it cannot be established. Arbiter will give the decision. You have to accept whether he gives touch piece or he doesn't award the touch piece. You cannot protest. That particular decision you cannot protest. And while giving the result, don't say I won, because there is no player by the name I. Don't say he won, she won. So all such things are not permitted. You have to tell winner's name. Ramesh won, Krishna won, Rama won, Sita won. Whoever has won the game, please tell the name to the arbiter. Don't say 1-0, 0-1. All such things not permitted. And kindly make sure when the arbiter is taking the result, whether he is marking the point correctly. So you have to tell the board number and you have to tell the winner's name and you have to cross check whether the arbiter has written the result correctly. FIDE fair play regulations will be enforced in this tournament. and pairings are displayed outside at various places. 2 set of pairings are displayed. It is also uploaded in chess results. Now how to check the pairing? Most of you are new. If you see your name on the left hand side, you are playing white. If you see your name on the right hand side, you are playing black. BO is board number. Now you can see the board numbers displayed there on the table. So you have to sit accordingly. We will not cross check who is playing on which board. It is your responsibility to sit on the right board and play. Suppose if you are sitting on the wrong board and you have continued the game, it will be considered as walkover on that particular board. 2 illegal moves, if you make, you lose the game. If you make 2 illegal moves, you lose the game. For that, we need to define what is illegal. Anything which violates Article 3.1 to 3.9, that is with respect to movement of pieces. Bishop played like a knight, knight played like a bishop, exposing your own king to check. All such things fall under Article 3.1 to 3.9. Any violation of that is illegal. For to claim the illegal, your opponent should have made the illegal move and he should have pressed the clock. Then only you can claim. In case if you forgot to claim, this is rapid format, so the game will continue with illegal position. This is not classical. The game will continue with illegal position. Latest illegal will stand. How do you understand that? Let us say there is a check on the king. Instead of parrying the check, the player has played some other move. Now this player, without claiming the illegal, has captured the king. Now who made the illegal? Latest illegal is capturing the king is illegal move, you lose the game. The first kind of illegal, as I said, violation of Article 3.1 to 3.9, capturing the king, all these come under that. You have played, without playing, you have pressed the clock. Without playing, if you have pressed the clock, that is also illegal. If you use 2 hands to make a move, in cases of castle, pawn promotion and capture, that is also considered as illegal. So please use 1 hand only. Castle is a king's move, please play king first. If you play the rook first, it will be considered as rook move only. To adjust the piece, you have to say, I adjust. You have to say, I adjust, then only you can adjust the piece. And it should be during your time. You should say it loud enough. If you don't comply with the rules and regulations of the tournament, we can impose Article 12.9 for penalizing a player or the team. Article 12.9 is displayed outside. The technical meeting details are also displayed outside. The 17 boys, we have Sahana Subramanya, FIDE arbiter, and Sudhir Subramanya. These 2 will be in charge of under 17 boys. You have to give the results to these 2 only. In under 17 girls, we have Swapna Shiv Kumar, who is a FIDE arbiter, and Anjan H, who is also a FIDE arbiter. These 2 will be responsible for under 17 girls. 19 boys and girls, I will be responsible. 14 boys, we have Anil NJ, who is a FIDE arbiter, and along with him we have Dhruvan and Rakshit. And in under 14 girls, we have Aditya Krishnamurthy, a FIDE arbiter, Ashutosh Sahu, who is a FIDE arbiter, and we have Mr. Dhanush.
Representatives from different institutions kindly leave the place. Allow the students to sit. All the representatives.
And will resolve the issue. First round, walkover will not be given. You have to wait for the full time. Only for first round, the entire time is walkover time, so that some of the players, if they are stuck in traffic, they can come and play the game. And there are some missing entries as well. So we can restart the game with the new pairing for
Ahora espero que me quede sobre. We are there. Excuse me. Full time. In case it doesn't turn up, you'll get a point. No, just leave it. Switch the. One to two there.
There is check, avoid check. Okay? No, you no need to inform. You have to avoid the check. Coming. Yep. What's the result? 66. What's the result? Who won? Mahi. Keep it back. Move the touch. It's not illegal. Continue with you.
Yeah, he pressed it last time. I didn't press the clock. He moved it. No, I didn't press the clock, right? I pressed the clock. Arbiter.
How did she do it?
First I
Have you paused the clock?
first she did it.
When was this move?
How many times I have to tell you? Now, this is the third time I'm telling you, right? Can't you wait for 20 minutes? Please wait.
Bro, you arbiter. 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 Between the lunar circles. Arbiter.
Stop calling orbiter, orbiter. Raise your hand. We will come meet. Okay.
Results when you come. Please wait 2 minutes. No problem. I will come.
Sir, set alarm bell. Once you finish, out. Nobody is allowed to stay here. Kindly move. Kindly move. Shh. Get up. Get up. Move. Kindly.
सर्वमङ्गलदायिने शङ्कराचार्यवर्याय यतिराजाय ते नमः। शिवशक्त्या युक्तो यदि भवति शक्तः प्रभवितुं न चेदेवं देवो न खलु कुशलः स्पन्दितुमपि। अतस्त्वामाराध्यां हरिहरविरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणम्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यः प्रभवति। ಚಿನ್ನಲ ನಂಬಿಚ ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂಬರಧರಂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಶ್ಲುಪಾಸನೀಯ ಉಪಾತವಾಸಂ ಪಟಶಾಖಿ ಮೂಲೆ ತದ್ದಾಮದಾಶಿಲ್ಯಜುಷಾಸ್ವಮೂರ್ತ್ಯ ಜಾಗಸ್ತು ಚಿತ್ತೆ ಮಮ ಬೋಧರೂಪಂ ಓಂ ನಿತ್ಯೇತಾದಸ್ಯ ಹೃದಯನಾಮಗೃಹೀತಂ ಯದ್ವಾಸೆ ಗಂಗಾತಿ ಸಮಸ್तं ವಿಯದಾದಿ ಯಸ್ಯಾಜ್ಞಾತಾ ಸಸ್ವಪದಸ್ಥ तं प्रत्यञ्चं दक्षिणवक्त्रं कलयामि तं प्रत्यञ्चं दक्षिणवक्त्रं कलयामि विश्वं दर्पणदृश्यमाननगरीं तुल्यं निजातर्गतं पश्यन्नात्मनि मायया बहिरिवो भूतं यथा निद्रया यः साक्षात् कुरुते प्रबोधसमये स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयं तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये शारदे लोकपूजिते ज्ञानदाते नमोस्तुते प्रेमनन्दनि सनहुमाते नीडु सन्मति सौख्यदाते तायि शारदे लोकपूजिते ज्ञानदाते नमोस्तुते अंधकारवोडिसु ज्ञानज्योतिಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು ಅಂಧಕಾರವೋಡಿಸು ಜ್ಞಾನಜ್ಯೋತಿಯ ಬೆಳಗಿಸು ಹೃದಯ ಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸು ಚಿಂತೆಯಾಲಿಸು ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಉಳಿಸು ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಡಿಲಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದ ಕಂದನಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಡಿಲಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ನಂಬಿದ ಕಂದನಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಬೆಳಗಲಮ್ಮ ಬಾಳಲು ಬೆಳಗಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರಿಕೆ ಆಲಿಸಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವ ಮಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾತುಗಳಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸವ ಮಾಡಿಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಾರಿಯ ನಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಸು ವಿದ್ಯೆಯ ಕಲಿಸು ಆಸೆ ಪೂರೈಸು ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದಲೇ ಸಲಹು ಮಾತೆ ನೀಡು ಸನ್ಮತಿ ಸೌಖ್ಯದಾತೆ ತಾಯಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಲೋಕ ಪೂಜಿತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದಾತೆ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕೀಗ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ. ಇನ್ನು ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಮಾತು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ. ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಗುರುದೇವೋ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಃ ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಗುರುದೇವೋ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರಃ ಗುರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರವೇ ನಮಃ. Once more, Guru Brahma. Loudly, Guru Brahma. गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Listen students, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಲ್ಲವರೆಗೂ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡಿಟಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಕಮಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಳಿತಿರುವೆ, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಣೆ ಹಿಡಿದಿರುವೆ, ಕಮಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಳಿತಿರುವೆ, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಣೆ ಹಿಡಿದಿರುವೆ, ಶಾರದೆ 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 ಓ ವಿದ್ಯಾದೇವತೆಯೇ, ನಿನ್ನಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವಮ್ಮ, ನೀನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಗತಿಯಮ್ಮ, ನಿನ್ನಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವಮ್ಮ, ನೀನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಗತಿಯಮ್ಮ, ಶಾರದೆ 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 ಓ ವಿದ್ಯಾದೇವತೆಯೇ, ಓ ವಿದ್ಯಾದೇವತೆಯೇ.
Here I'm Himanshu. We are from Kumudans. Okay, I didn't get qualified for the national round. I'm in position number 18 still. Okay, so now I'm going to chant one chapter from the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, I know the whole Bhagavad Gita. Okay, not showing off. So which chapter do I chant? You guys can tell me. Okay. ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः. अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः. अर्जुन विषाद योगः. धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय. सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्. पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणामाचार्यमहतीं च मों व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता. अत्र शूरा महेश्वासाः भीमार्जुनसमायुधि युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः. दृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशिराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुनजित्कुन्तिभोजश्च शैभ्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः. युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः. अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तानि बोधद्विजोत्तम. नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तां ब्रवीमि ते. भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः. नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः. अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितं. पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्. अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिताः. भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि. तस्य सञ्जनयन् हर्षं कुरुवृद्धः पितामहः. सिंहनादं विनद्योच्चैः शङ्खं दध्मुः प्रतापवान् ततः शङ्खाश्च भेद्यश्च पनवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्तः सशब्दस्तु मुलोऽभवत् ततः श्वेतैर्हरेर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः पाञ्चजन्यं हृषीकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृकोदरः अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः धृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्च पराजितः ततो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दध्मुः पृथक् पृथक् सघोषोधार्तराष्ट्राणां हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवीं चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन् अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्न पाण्डवः ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युता यावदेतान् निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहं य एतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः सञ्जय उवाच एवमुक्तो हृषीकेशः उदाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः स्खदः सर्वेक्षाञ्च महीक्षितान् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरूनिति तत्र पश्य स्थितान् पार्थः पितॄनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखीन् तथा असुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान् कृपया परयाविष्टः विषीदन्मिदमब्रवीत् अर्जुन उवाच दृष्ट्वेमं स्वजनं कृष्ण युयुत्सं समुपस्थितं सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यते वेपथुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते गाण्डीवं संसते हस्तात् त्वक्चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव न च श्रेयो न पश्यामि हत्वा स्वदरमाहवे न काङ्क्षे विजयं कृष्ण न च राज्यं सुखानि च किन्नो राज्येन गोविन्द किं भोगैर्जीवितेन वा येषामर्थे काङ्क्षितन्नः राज्यं भोगाः सुखानि च तैमेव स्थिता युद्धे प्राणां त्यक्त्वा धनानि च आचार्याः पितरः पुत्राः तथैव च पितामहाः मातुलाश्वशुराः पौत्राः चालाः सम्बन्धिनस्तथा अन्नहन्तुमिच्छामि घ्नतोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतोः किन्नु महीकृते निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्नः का प्रीतिः स्यात् जनार्दन पापमेवाश्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैतानाततायिनः तस्मान् राधाद्वयं हन्तुं धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजनं हि कथं हत्वा सुखिनः स्याम माधव यद्यप्येतेन पश्यन्ति लोभोपहतचेतसः कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं मित्रद्रोहे च पातकं कथं न ज्ञेयमस्माभिः पापादस्मान् निवर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृतं दोषं प्रपश्यद्भिर्जनार्दन कुलक्षये प्रणश्यन्ति कुलधर्माः सनातनः धर्मे नष्टे कुलं कृत्स्नम् अधर्मोऽभिभवत्युत अधर्माभिभवात् कृत्स्न प्रतिष्ठन्ति कुलस्त्रियः स्त्रीषु दुष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णसङ्करः संकरो नरकायैव कुलघ्नानां कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो ह्येषां दुःखपिण्डादतक्रियाः दोषैरेतैः कुलघ्नानां वर्णसङ्करकारकैः उत्साद्यन्ते जातिधर्म धर्माः कुलधर्म च शाश्वताः उत्थन्नकुलधर्माणां मनुष्याणां जनार्दन नरके नियतं वासः भवतीत्यनुशुश्रुम अहो बत महत्पापं कर्तुं व्यवसिता वयं यद्राज्यसुखलाभेन हन्तुं स्वजनमुद्यताः यदि मामप्रतीकारं अशस्त्रं शस्त्रपाणयः
ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯವನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಹಾಡಿದ ಶ್ರೀ ಹಿಮಾಂಶುಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು.
I'm from Presidency School Nandinled. Today I'm going to sing a song, Sharanu Guru Raja. Sharanu Guru Raja, Sharanu Ravi Teja, Sharanu Guru Raja, Sharanu Ravi Teja. ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಡುವಂತ ಯೋಗಿ ರಾಜ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಡುವಂತ ಯೋಗಿ ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ಗುರು ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ರವಿ ತೇಜ ಶರಣು ಗುರು ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ರವಿ ತೇಜ ತುಂಗಾ ನದಿಯ ತೀರವಾಸಿ ಅರಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ತಾಪಸಿ ತುಂಗಾ ನದಿಯ ತೀರವಾಸಿ ಅರಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ತಾಪಸಿ ಬೃಂದಾವನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ರೂಪ ನೀವೇ ನಮಗೆ ದಾರಿದೀಪ ಶರಣು ಗುರು ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ರವಿ ತೇಜ ಶರಣು ಗುರು ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ರವಿ ತೇಜ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಡುವಂತ ಯೋಗಿ ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ಗುರು ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ರವಿ ತೇಜ ಶರಣು ಗುರು ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ರವಿ ತೇಜ ತುಂಗಾ ನದಿಯ ತೀರವಾಸಿ ಅರಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯ ತಾಪಸಿ ಬೃಂದಾವನ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ರೂಪ ನೀವೇ ನಮಗೆ ದಾರಿದೀಪ ಶರಣು ಗುರು ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ರವಿ ತೇಜ ಶರಣು ಗುರು ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ರವಿ ತೇಜ ಶರಣು ಗುರು ರಾಜ ಶರಣು ರವಿ ತೇಜ. My name is Gaganat Sambige. Experience of how it was. First of all, I would like to thank the school for hosting this competition and my teachers for selecting me and giving me an opportunity to do this. And I really enjoyed this competition. It was very difficult, but still I won 5.5 matches. I'm really sad I didn't get selected for nationals, but it is a motivation for me that to come next year and get selected, and I'm really happy. Yeah, thank you.
Seeing that I was just praying Hanumanji. After every match, so like every gods are devoted for one thing. Like that only we can pray Hanumanji for many things, like for education and for many things. So I am coming here with the Hanuman Chalisa for you all. So I am going to start now. Okay, so I am going to begin now. Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raj Rich Man Mukhar Sudhari Baranyu Raghuvar Dimana Jasa Jodha Raghuvar Chari Buddhihina Tanu Janike Sumiro Pavan Kumari Bal Buddhi Vidya Devu Mohi Haram Kale Savikase Om Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar Jai Kapis Dhrangar Gojaka Ram Dul Arit Paldama Anjani Putra Pawan Sadanam Mahabir Vikram Bhajanangi Mulki Nimari Sumat Kesangi Kanjal Payani Raja Subesa Kanun Kanun Kichidat Kesa Hath Dwaj Avaja Vilaje Kane Mun Jane Ursaje Sankar Swani Kesari Nandin Tej Patapan Hajan Bandhan Vidyavan Guni Adhichatan Ram Kaj Karve Ko Ate Prabhu Chariti Suni Gaur Siya Ram Nasa Sita Manusya सूक्ष्म रूप धरे सेविकावा विकट रूप धरे लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरे असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के कार्य सवार लाए सजीवन लखन जिराए श्री कबीर हर्षि उल्लाय भगवत की ने बहुत बड़ाई तुम प्रिय हर्षि संभाई सस भगव तुम रोजस गावे यस कैसी बलि कंठ लगावे झनकादि ब्रह्मादि मुनि सा नारद सारद सहित ईसा जब कुबेर दिखपाल चाहते कब को नीत कसके कहाते तुम मुख का सुग्रीव की नारा मिलाए राजपद की ना तुम मंत्र विभीषण वायु लंकेश में सब जग जानो जुग सहर जुग जग पर भानु में तो तेरी जानो प्रभु मुदिका मेन कुम माही चल लग गए वशन नाही दुर्गम का जगत के जीते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम रहते थे राम दुआरे तुम बकवारे हो ना क्या बिल पैसारे सब सुखलाए तुम्हारी संना तुम रक्षक आरोप को डरना. So that's all for today. It's more okay. So thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya and good evening to one and all present here. Many of the schools have arrived over here at this, this is an occasional day and I'm really happy to be here. And I want to share my experience how these 2 days went. So the very first thing I would like to say is I had fun. Even though I lost or won a match, I don't care, but I had fun. I'm not selected for the nationals or anything, but overall it was really good. The organizations, they were held really well, and all the chess tournaments went on smoothly. So continuing, all the chess tournaments went on really well and it was very smooth. Even though so many schools arrived, they've done their job very perfectly. All the arbiters, all the coaches, and all the teachers and all the organizers present over here. So what's one thing that I learned and one thing that I want to share with all of you is always concentrate. Even if the opponent, there were many scenarios in which I got an opponent. The opponent said that if you let me slide this illegal move, when you do an illegal move, I'll let it slide. So I got 1 or 2 opponents like that. So don't do that, play it in the perspective of a game. Have that game feeling. Thank you and have a great day.
I'm Smriti Arun from Carmel School and today I'm here to share my experiences in participating in this chess competition. Well, first of all, I'd like to say that the management and the organization were splendidly arranged. And now coming back to my experience. When I first got selected for this Karen competition, I was really ecstatic because this is my first time ever entering into such a tournament. And I was kind of like a bit nervous, a bit afraid, and also I had this adrenaline rush. But this competition is not just a competition. I felt it to be more like an experience and it turned out to be quite fun. I could make new friends and I could also learn some new chess moves as well. And sometimes even if you lose, you get the confidence that in the next match you need to do better and you get that feeling of self-motivation. So this competition is not just a competition, it is an experience and an opportunity. And we should all be lucky that we got this opportunity to participate in such a grand competition. I once again thank the school management and for their...
Myself Viva, myself Adya. Today we are from MES Kishore Kendra Public School, Vidyaranapura. We are singing Sanchari Gita. Gacha start with how they have organized and how they maintained it. It was very good, and the food was also actually very tasty. But now I will start speaking about my experience. Once when I was selected for the chess tournament, I was actually in shock because I didn't expect to play so good. But when I got selected, I tried to train myself for other tournaments. This is my first ever tournament, and it was very exciting for me as I've never actually been to a chess tournament ever in my life before. So I did come across opponents who were better than me, who were worse than me, but it's not about that. It's about whether you had fun. That's the point. And maybe I might have not been selected to the nationals, or maybe I have, but I don't care about all of that. I just care that I had an opportunity to showcase my talent of chess and my liking of it, and play against other people. Everyone were also very friendly here, including teachers, judges, and all the students from other schools. And I would also say good job to everyone who participated here, because everyone has played well. And thank you.
ಹಾಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ 2 ದಿನದಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನಾನಾ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ಈ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವೀಗ ಈ ಭಾಗದಿಂದ ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸುತ್ತೊಡೋದು ಬರೋಣ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತು ಹೇಳಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಭಿನಯನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಗೆಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸುತ್ತಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ, ರೆಡಿನಾ? ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟೂರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ರೈಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟೂರ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬುಕ್ಕು ರೈಲು ಬಂಡಿ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬುಕ್ಕು ರೈಲು ಬಂಡಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬುಕ್ಕು ರೈಲು ಬಂಡಿ, ಬನ್ನಿರಿ ಹತ್ತಿರಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ನಮ್ಮಯ ನಾಡನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತೋಣ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬುಕ್ಕು ರೈಲು ಬಂಡಿ, ಬನ್ನಿರಿ ಹತ್ತಿರಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ನಮ್ಮಯ ನಾಡನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತೋಣ. ಹೋಗೋಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ? ಹೋಗೋಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಹೋಗೋಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ನೋಡೋಣ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಮೈಸೂರು ಅರಮನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ತಿನ್ನೋಣ ತಿನ್ನೋಣ, ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಿನ್ನಲೇಬೇಕು. ತಿನ್ನೋಣ ತಿನ್ನೋಣ, ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನೋಣ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಬುಕ್ಕು ರೈಲು ಬಂಡಿ, ಬನ್ನಿರಿ ಹತ್ತಿರಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ನಮ್ಮಯ ನಾಡನ್ನು ಸುತ್ತೋಣ. ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ? ನಿಮ್ಮೂರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ? ಹಾಸನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ? ಹೋಗೋಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಹಾಸನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೋಡೋಣ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಬೇಲೂರು ಹಳೆಬೀಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹಾಸನ ಬೇಲೂರು ಹಳೆಬೀಡು ಫೇಮಸ್ ತಾನೆ, ಹೌದಪ್ಪ? ಹಾಸನದವರು ಹೌದಾ? ಬೇಲೂರು ಹಳೆಬೀಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. ತಿನ್ನೋಣ. ಏನು ಹಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಮಸ್? ರಾಗಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಬಸ್ಸಾರ. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಫೇಮಸ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಹಾಸನ ಹೋಗಿ ತಿಂದಲೇ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ, ಮುದ್ದೆ ಬಸಾರು ತಿನ್ನೋಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Karnataka State Schools chess tournament is there. Kindly participate in that. You can contact Mr. Ravikran and you can check in website Karnataka State Schools tournament is there, chess championship. You can visit Karnataka State website. In that you can find the prospectus. Kindly participate in that state championship. Thank you very much.
Opportunity and catch the good that is in our reach is the great art of life. A very warm good evening to one and all. I, Ashwini, coordinator of Ganga Institution, welcomes you all to the valedictory function of CISE Regional Chess Tournament 2023. We will not take much time now. We can understand all of you have to travel to your destination. Within a few minutes, we will try to finish it. Kindly cooperate. The function of prayer is not to influence the God, but rather to change the nature of one who prays. I call upon Renuka K.S. Madam and her team for a prayer song. Tvasvarenyam Om Bhuvasvaha Tvasvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Thank you. Optimist tries to change it, and a leader acts the same. I feel pleasure to welcome President of Ganga Institution, Shri Lakshmi Narasimha Sir, who always instills new innovative ideas among us. A gracious welcome to you, sir. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. I feel pleasure to welcome our Secretary Madam, Mrs. Anubha Madam, who always cares to all of us, and her concern towards all the staff, student members, it is really very appreciable. A gracious welcome to you, ma'am. Nothing great will be achieved without great men, and men are only great if they are determined to do so. We Gangaites, we have also a great leader. I feel pleasure to welcome our director and principal, Shri Parthasarathi Krishna Iyer sir, whose words, wisdom and action are really a great motivation
students and the staff. A warm welcome to you, sir. It's my pleasure and also an honor to welcome today's Chief Arbiter, Salim Beg sir and his team. A warm welcome to you, sir. I would like to welcome Vice Principal of Ganga Institution, Shri Balasubramanya sir. A cheerful welcome to you, sir. I feel delighted to welcome Dr. Vedavati S. Basu, Principal of Ganga PU College. A delighted welcome to you, ma'am.
I feel extremely delighted and joyous to welcome Mrs. Ashwini Tirukapadi, Coordinator, High School Wing, Ganga Institutions. A warm welcome to Mrs. Ashwini Tirukapadi.
Madam, look at camera, look at camera. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, look at camera. Once again, Madam, thank you.
Mr. Suman, the proprietor of this conventional hall. In sir's absence, we welcome him. A warm welcome to you, sir. The school representatives, chess coaches and Ganga Institution teachers, their hard work and cooperation really has brought laurel to this function. A cheerful welcome to all of them. Last but not the least, the shining stars of these 2 days, that is the students. I know very well you are very eagerly waiting for the result announcement. Really the students have cooperated. They met each other, they have learned. As we have earlier observed, they came, they have showcased their talent, they have expressed their views also. A cheerful welcome to all these students. Thank you. Now the most awaited moment. I will not check more patience of yours now. I request our director, Shri Parthasarthi Krishna Iyer sir, to announce the result.
Till the time I hear the good evening word loudly, I am not going to declare the result. Good evening to all. Still I am not able to hear. Good evening to all. Honorable President, Ganga Institution, respected Secretary, Ganga Institution, the Chief Guest and the Chief Arbiter, Sri Salim Beg, the chess coordinator of this tournament, Sri Badu sir, and all other arbiters, all other management schools, that is 88 schools which are participated, and all the players, 933 players. It was a mega event. Maybe we may be getting a chance to register our name, Ganga Institution, in Guinness Book of World Record also. This is a concluding ceremony, concluding meeting. It is my duty only to declare the results. But if I declare the result, you will not allow me to honor the guest. First I will honor the guest, after that I will declare the result. Right, everybody agreed? So, I would like to request our President sir to honor our Chief Arbiter, Mr. Salim Beg. Last 2 days, tirelessly he was working for that, and we could complete this competition without any type of complaints. That also becomes a feather for our Ganga institution. So it is the institutional responsibilities to give recognition and our affection and love for Salim Beg sir and his team. I request President sir to honor Salim Beg sir. Hey, why you are reluctant to clap? Sir invited you to Mysore also for the next competition tomorrow.
Once again, smile.
It is all of the come. Give a great clap. Great clap. Great clap.
Sir, look at camera there, smile.
Thank you. Time for the result. Now you see, everybody is welcome. Before that, now one more guest is there who has supported us for conducting this competition. First day onwards, he was supporting us with the guidance. So I request our Somnath sir to come on the stage and receive our love and affection.
Okay, ready, sir?
Sir has dedicated his service through for the chess competition only, chess only. Last 19 years sir is associated with that particular school. It is a Guru Vandana type only, you consider that. Celebration there only. Later on you can do the celebration. Now I don't think you may not be having that much strength to celebrate. He is also telling correct. So first I will declare the individual prize winners of the all categories. First 5 positions those who are holding, that I will tell. Only first 5 positions I will declare. No celebration or anything now. After that, you can celebrate, no problem. Half an hour I will give you to celebrate. Now, under 19 girls, the first position goes to Shraddha Somnath, Greenwood High School. Second position, I will not collectively, sir. Second position, Vishnuta PM, Lawrence High School. Dhruvi, third position, Dhruvi Murkot, Greenwood High School. Fourth position, Angana Jain, Greenwood High School. Fifth position, Kanishka Kilaru, Greenwood High School. All will get recognition later on also, don't worry, later on we can celebrate. And I see under 19 boys, first 5 names. Naren Karthik, Greenwood High School. Tanmay S, Lawrence High School, second position. Anish Kundu, Greenwood High School, third position. Piyush S, High School, fourth position. Samrat Sanjeeva, the Frank Avenue Public School, fifth position. Under 17 girls, Shifali AM, Shanto Public School. Second position, Nikita Nale, Greenwood High School. Third position, Shruti Praveen, Greenwood High School. Fourth position, Yashvita Rao K, Anthony Claret School. Fifth position, Elizabeth Mary's Sakriya, Notre Dame School. Okay. Next, under 17 boys, first position, Lepta Subhat Jayesh, Greenwood High School. And second position, Adharva, Podar International School. Third position, Abhinav B, Carmel High School. And fourth position, Samuel Matthew, AC, Anthony Claret School. Fifth position, Arav Bensel, Greenwood High School. Now under 14. Under 14 girls, first position, Deepta Srinivas, Carmel School. Second position, Mahima Sarvodaya National Public School. Third position, Harinya Ramesh, Sri Kumaran High School. And fourth position, Nikita Susan Thomas, Raya International. Fifth position, Janavi MS, Shanto Public School. Now, under 14 boys, Yuvanesh A, Christ School, Christ ICIC School. Second position, Anaya Banka, Vidyashilp Academy. Third position, Govind Mudalidhara, Christ School, ICIC. Arya Satish Chikodi, Rayan International, fourth position. Samrat Yashwant, Sri Kumaran Public School, fifth position. So these are the individual first 5 positions, and 5 more standbys will be selected. These 5 people, those who are, any of the vacancy comes from the standby, from order, you will be selected and they will be attending the nationals. Give a great clap for all the tribes. Right? Now, the team event. Only the team event. Team event, when I am calling, the team, listen now. After that, one by one, we will call them to get the certificates. Right, sir? Team people can come. And I will call from the third position. First, under 19 girls. Third position goes to St. Vincent Pallotti School, bronze medal. Any of the representative is there, kindly come down. No, next is second position goes to, you come down, beta, come down. Second position for the school, that is first runner-up, Lawrence High School. And first position for the under 19 girls goes to Greenwood High School, gold medal.
Sir. Okay. All of you look here. Look here, sir.
Give a clap. Next.
Yeah. Girls, look here. Ashita, look at you. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, ready. Thank you. Okay, ready.
And the second position will have Mr. Lawrence High School. Please come, 5 are there.
Yeah. Okay, ready. All of you look here. Once again.
Good.
Thank you. Boys, look here. Once again. Thank you.
The next one.
Thank you.
Now under 17 girls. Under 17 girls. And the second position.
Okay, look here. Okay, girls, look here. Madam, smile.
And Greenwood first place.
Thank you. Sir. Today, smile.
Under 17 boys. Third place
Hey, boys. Hey, look here, all of you. Oi. Once again, smile.
Now under.
Hey.
National Public
Okay,
School.
ready.
Nobody is there.
Ready, girls? Look here, all of you.
Come back.
Today, smile.
How many are there under 19?
Thank you. Today, look here. Smile.
And Greenwood High School.
Thank you. Oh.
Now under 14 boys.
Thank you. Okay, ready, boys? Boys, ready? Smile.
Website and certificates also will be given for
Okay, ready, sir?
the
Ready?
school.
Smile.
Any doubt or anything is there? You can clarify it. Hey, where you are going, madam?
Thank
Sit
you.
down, madam.
Madam, close. Nice. Sir, close. Nice. Look here. Smile. Once again.
5th place Tanishka Kilaru, Greenwood High School. Under 19 boys, 1st place Naren Karthik K, Greenwood High School. 2nd place Tanmay S, Chaduru, Lawrence High School.
Thank you.
3rd place Ansh Kundu, Greenwood High School. 4th place Piyush S, St. Joseph Boys High School. 5th place Samrat Sanjeeva, Frank Anthony Public School.
Close, close, close.
Under 14 boys, 1st place Yuvanesh A, Christ School. 2nd place Anay Banka, Vidyashilp Academy. Christ School.
Close. Madam.
4th place Arya Satish Chikodi, Rayan International School.
Close. Look here.
5th place Samar. Girls, 1st place Deepta Srinivas, Carmel School.
Close.
Carmel School. 2nd place Mahima S, Sarvolaya National Public School. 3rd place Harinya Ramesh, Sri Kumaran Public School.
Thank you.
4th place Nikita Susan Thomas, Rayan International School. 5th place Janavi MS, Santom Public School.
Close. Thank you. Move. Close. Smile. Thank you. Close. Thank you.
Under 17 boys, 1st place school.
Once again.
4th place Samuel Matthew, Anthony.
Thank you. Move. Okay, ready? Close. Smile. Lily. Good.
Under 17 girls, 1st place Stephanie N, Santom Public School. 2nd place Nikita Nade, Greenwood High School. 4th place Yashvita Rao, Anthony Direct School. 5th place Elizabeth Mary Skeria, Notre Dame School.
Ready? Smile. Ready? Smile. Ready, madam? Ready? Smile. Madam. Thank you. Okay, ready, madam? Smile. Thank you. Okay, ready? Madam, close. Smile. Thank you. Thank you.
I would like to express my gratitude to the management of Ganga Institution for organizing this event. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our principal sir. It was a sir's idea and we are today able to complete it. Thank you, sir. At this stage, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Gayatri Devi Madam for her enormous cooperation and guidance. I express my sincere gratitude to Chief Arbiter Salim Beg, Sir and his committee for their tireless effort from yesterday. Thank you, sir. I thank all the teachers, representatives from the different schools and the students also. Thank you.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
जय हिंद।
Ready, smile. Madam, smile. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Ready, teachers? Ready? All of you ready? Smile. Yes. Ready? Smile. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯಾರ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂತಾರ ಫಿಲಮ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮುಂದೆ. ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್. once again. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Thank you to all. Yes, once again smile. ಹಾಗೆ ರೀ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಲೈಟ್ ಆನಲ್ಲಿ Okay, ready, sir? Ready, smile.